In today's video, I'll teach you how to sign into UC browser. So first of all, launch open UC browser application. You can see over here UC browser has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to sign into your account, tap on the three lines that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of UC browser. What you have to do is find this option for account and tap on it. Now you'll be able to sign in to your account. You'll either be able to sign in with Google or you can also sign in with UC account. If you want to sign in with UC account, tap on this option sign in with UC account. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter your UC account or email and password over here. So tap on the field of UC account. Now enter your UC account email. Likewise, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Or you can also sign in with Google. For that, tap on this option Google that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, select the Google account with which you would like to sign in to your account. Simply tap on your Google account. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll easily be signed in to your account. So like this, you'll be able to sign in to UC browser. So that is how you sign into UC browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.